Ever wondered how education has evolved over the centuries? Let's take a quick trip through traditional and early modern teaching methods. First up is the classic lecture method. Here, a teacher delivers knowledge to a sea of eager faces, transforming classrooms into hubs of information. Next, we have the demonstration method. Think science experiments or art techniques where hands-on learning comes alive before your eyes. Then there's recitation. Students stand up to share what they've learned, turning facts and poems into memorable performances. The Monitorial or Lancasterian system is intriguing. Imagine one teacher guiding hundreds, with older students stepping up to help teach their peers. Now consider the project method, where learning is driven by inquiry and real-world challenges, encouraging creativity and problem solving. And let's not forget discovery learning. Students actively explore, experimenting and discovering, guided by their inquisitive teachers. From lectures to discovery, these methods shaped education as we know it. Which one resonates with you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Dive deeper and research this topic further at ESLTA.com.